Sawadee Welcome back to Tiger in the Kitchen. You are cooking with Pam, and today's recipe we're going to make Southern Thai curry paste from scratch. Let's go through the ingredients. We're gonna need dry Thai chilies. Some houses they also add fresh Thai chilies and might mix with some fresh bird's eye chilies. You can also add the fresh ones if you like, but I'll only use the dried ones. Lemongrass. Peppercorns can be black, white, or mixed. Salt. Shallots. This one's supposed to be a Kaffir lime fruit, but if you can't find, you can use a Kaffir lime leaf instead. Turmeric. Garlic. Galangal. And Thai shrimp paste, or gapi in Thai. The reason why I specifically say Thai shrimp paste is because this ingredient is pretty common in Southeast Asia, like belacan in Malaysian version and terasi in Indonesian version. Shrimp paste from different countries can taste and smell similar but still a little bit different. To make Thai curry paste, I recommend to use Thai shrimp paste to get the authentic taste. For a lemongrass, peel off the outer layer. Remove the bulbs. Then slice thinly and set aside. Turmeric, clean and hand scrub with water. Don't need to peel, just cut into small pieces. Same with galangal. Garlic, you can mash and peel, or peel it your way. Shallots, cut off the top and bottom parts and peel off the outer layer. For the next ingredient, traditionally we use Kaffir lime skin. This is what Kaffir lime looks like. We use it a lot in many Thai curry paste. In this case, I couldn't find one, but if you can't find Kaffir lime, this is what you need to do. I will use a regular lime only as an example because we are not going to use it in any Thai curry paste recipe. So let's pretend this is a Kaffir lime fruit. Use a sharp knife and carefully carve out its skin. Try not to get much of the white part, it's bitter. You're only gonna need a little bit of it just for the nice citrus oil and aroma, so we can use a little bit of Kaffir lime leaf instead if you can't find its fruit. Remove the center vein and slice thinly. To make Thai curry paste, of course we can use a blender, but I'll show you the traditional way with the mortar. Talk about mortar and pestle. I'm having 3 types with me at home, and let's have a look at the first one. This either gonna be wood or clay. We are usually using this one for pounding something like som tam or papaya salad, something that is not a heavy duty work or something that you don't need it to become the very fine paste like the curry paste that we are going to make. That's why to make the curry paste we are going to pick this one instead. It's the stone one. And it's just perfect to make the curry paste. It is heavy, it helps you mash all the ingredients better, and it is the other way around. We don't usually pound som tam in the stone mortar and pestle. And come to this one. I got it on my birthday from my lovely Indonesian friend Nadine. I think this type of mortar and pestle is more popular and more common in Indonesia. They're using this to grind the chili pepper, the garlic, and every other ingredients to make sambal. And I'm a big fan of sambal. Okay, now let's grab the stone mortar. Usually some people, including my mom and grandma, just put every ingredient and pound all in one time. They are pros. For us to help pound everything easier, I'll separate the ingredients into 4 groups. The first group is the dry ingredients, so we got dried chilies, salt, and peppercorn. The second group is the fibrous ingredients like galangal, lemongrass, and kaffir leaf. The third group is the ones that contain more water content, which are garlic, turmeric, and shallots. Then the last one, we're gonna finish with the shrimp paste. For the Southern Thai curry paste, each household might have a slightly different recipes, especially when we are from the different provinces in the south of Thailand. Some house might add the shallots and some house might leave it out. For the version that we are going to make today, I am also adding the shallots. I am so excited to show you guys this. This is my mom's recipe that I grew up with. It is good, and let's get started. We are gonna grind the peppercorns first. And you can keep pounding on the counter, but please excuse me for moving to the floor. This is how I usually pound my homemade curry paste. So after the peppercorns, we add dried chilies and salt to help grinding the chilies. So we're gonna keep pounding for a while until they look like this. Follow with the second group of the ingredients, the fibrous ones, and keep pounding. Like this is good. Now the third group. These ingredients are easier to pound. Keep pounding until they are combined. Now we start to see they are all becoming the paste. This is when we finish up with the shrimp paste. And we're done. Look at this. All the love and effort is in this spoon. So how to keep this curry paste? You can put in the Tupperware or in the Ziploc bag and store in the fridge. It will last about 3 to 4 days. Or if you're not going to use the whole curry paste within around a week, you can freeze them. And the way I usually freeze it for the easier use next times is put in a Ziploc bag, flatten it up, then use the dull part of the knife or a chopstick or whatever to divide the portions. I usually use around 2 tablespoons per one time. So when it's frozen and we want to use it, all we need to do is break it off like this. Hope this video is useful to you. If you have any question about any recipe, don't hesitate to leave in the comment. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again next recipe. สวัสดีค่ะ